Sompa TV. So yes, nkonya se ya na se agudie mu nsam a nkanso da de aka nso kakra bi a edi se wasote no na ye de bre ya hwefo ene ye tiefo Kyoko Benjamin Jamfini medin obetimi afrem Ricardo Vaz na matena se a me de afisem eba mi ameko na afi Cinco de Mario aba na afa mono ne semni na no ono enso atimi ede ato anim duram ewo eye Sompa 93.1 FM on Facebook a on sabeka okwa Sompa TV a on sabetimi aka na afi eye Sompa 93.1 FM so on sabeka ena afi Kranza Sompa 90.7 eno so yade a efa ato apeti na bibiano enso etimi aye kama pa enso etimi ho amede ho sensem no enso ede eto ani mena enso ewo dwumadie ne so obi biara wane waje bre na ho no ye mo akwa abaso nkokura enso ede ba dwumadie ne so ene ye den sensem no enso ede bre na wonso watimi ahu sere no ma no enso esi koyendi komo ewo Ghanaian football nim dia ye starte enso ede afri former players ne omo madi adwuma enso wo Ghanaian football na afia na be wuram ewo club football ye timadi didi komo no enso etimi wo ho na yendi komo no emfa free Augustine Ahemfo former player de my Blasters no wadi komo na ni komodie no na o cheche mu se sempanifo timi chire mu no mutimi chire dwuma kura opani a Jeffrey Steven Apia bedi ewo Blasters management committee ne so no bibiara enso etimi nya na ho ntiase nsema Augustine Ahemfo eka yenie.
It's okay to have somebody who has been in the team before physically and now from the management perspective. It's okay as a former footballer. Only in Libya, then as a member, I think he will offer his advice and the things to bring on board exactly what we all need. Like I say, yes, or advice. So until that time, he will have to maintain advice and then make sure say and send the animal they put it together. I know they put it together to bring results. I know that is important. Maybe any issue about the blogging na way, but it is just normal. Because don't forget, at the point, he's not a coordinator. He was a coordinator, and they let him go. And at this time around, as the vice of the committee. Maybe at this time around, they've identified certain things that he can offer. So we just have to pray for him.
Ano ene samo Augustine Ahemfo enso ene tu dwa no pai me de air2 anim no cheche mu se na no da bi no ho nenso ne mi se omuma ne kwan ma ne nya na adwuma na bia sese no matimi ahu se wo ba obetimi aye adwuma no enso atimi ama na bro so enu nti ene makwa asan kofa na ba no ne nsemo Augustine Ahemfo ene tu dwa me ho nsem no ene ma we ne enso ewo adwuma de ne so osan ko akupo ama ye administrator of Ghanaian football nim ono ene ye bankroller ene matema youth wadi nkona ne nkomodie no say unfinished business be ho because omam ho football na so no o ma say bibia from a club football national team infrastructure then also matimi asem to unfinished business there or wa eso ba no be offer o say
unfinished business is the Ghana football is not at the level that is expected. Footballer up down, women's football up down, Blasters over down. So when all these features over down, then you have people who have the capability to paint things around you. In the media, there are so many things to be able to change the fiscal structure of football in the country. But all these things are not in place, and we feel that if we have the opportunity, we'll be able to do better things for Ghana football. Unfinished business.
Hello, and someone or say Kwakupama, as what you need to da. I'm say unfinished business be as or bano to me because what should the right Ghanaian football is call national team football see at Zoom, club football at Zoom, Bibia, and so entiminko enti so mo he no mo ba no be ye ma ye na bibia no and so etimiko ye de ma ye free ho na ye ndin komo our club football na fe club issues no ye ntimidi di ho komo na ye din komo de ye starting from free kasi menge wono and ye head coach adema team a ye friend nation service wadin komo na ne komo de we no e first rounder team e friend FC boy results omunyaye and say omo finish second with 32 points. In Samoa, Openino Kaino say and church and Nzemu.
When we started, we were building a new team. We started the first 3 matches. That's why we were finding that. But apart from that, who matches are about 3. If we are the team that has scored the highest goal and the team that has considered fewer goals. I would say it's not bad. When we started, we were building a new team. We started the first 3 matches. That's why we were finding that. But apart from who matches are boy, 3. We are the team that has scored the highest goal and the team that has considered fewer goals. I would say it's not bad.
And Tiana some open the two just or share almost start name to a more break because no more session no be a new team no mudino mona so no or much wire 3 patim no more answer to me at the amount to say no more session no man say no because it's not bad so maybe on the second position after the first round or more 32 point na utimi na okasa nya badi ube beefy up na nsemwa kasi mengo enzo din komo elfa beefy na no say no kano.
When you see the position there, if you need an experienced player, you will find one and replace it. But we send some young boys. Definitely to develop them. So we are about 3-4 young boys. Looking for one experienced player to complement the effort of some position. If you say we need a person, we don't go in for the big guy. If we are positioned, we have to need one experienced player. Strengthen that department. So we go in for the young ones. That's our target. When you see the position there, if you
I know any somewhere Kasim Mengo, any two just one mono, a young collar no more pen to the same of your modano, or pen colani biaba, no abe semo knife for a experienced player back or no bit more complimenting and only at a sa branch your friend a year. Netty, yes, Christopher Netty, former Kumasi, I know got a former Accra Great Olympics player, no, or money need didn't come on, no, bet me about compliment, said or no, and so is the air carona on pitches. I see I can was way in Kromano, Ghana, and Premier League Venus, no, or Penia, your friend Kasim, Mengel, or Kansi, who didn't come on, edify and pitches in Yentino.
It happens always because we have a good pitch. We play, so when we go to away near the same pitcher. We find it difficult in playing. So when you go on the pitch, I will pitch in the fire. See us playing good football. Well, the pitch in it will not allow you to play how you want to play. It happens always because we have a good pitch. We play. So when we go to away near the same pitcher, we find it difficult in playing. So when you go on the pitch, I will pitch in the fire. See us playing good football.
And Tiano Samoa, Kasim Mengo, and the two just one park in a yo. Dr. Kwame J Sports Complex no ye ntino so mo kwa we kunya picture yes ano me wo ba wan kasa be to widiem utimu ze ball no omo ball no omo ball ne ye ntia no ene nsem wo de tutu jama we performances no enso atimi agina brand wo de ho nsem no ede etu ya ne mfiri wo na ye din komo enso e wo timu a Jefferson Legon Cities enso akache Prince Bamfo ye CEO enso atimi di mo first rounder timu Jefferson Legon Cities nya ye no opening enso atimi din komo enso ede afad Legon Cities omo first round no.
Say like there's a lot of mistakes that is happening in the club. We've put in things together to work on those mistakes and then fix the club to be one of the best clubs in Accra or in Ghana. So if you're talking about the past, we recognize our mistakes, but going forward, like you're going to see only winning. We're not even going to play draw. So I'm not here to talk about the past. I'm here to talk about what you're going to see from Lagos City from now on.
Nti say Lagos Cities enso atimi afantoma foforo de afira nti say no omo ba be bom mo de na afi draw kra no omo entimi mo bia no nsem wa CEO Prince Bamfo de tuja anopa me bo akire yi akire enso atimi ede amawo no wosa di nkomo biem yetete say Lagos Cities be 6 months as say ni omo ntu omo players ka Prince Bamfo jebre echechire mu nioma na ekokoso enso eho.
That has never happened. That has never happened since I've taken over. And the very first day that I came, it was paid. Yeah, it was paid. That was 2 months, but that has never happened. It's just that some of them went away during the Christmas, and half of them was giving the money. The ones that went away didn't get the money, and they wanted the money before they come back, and that's indiscipline. And I told them I don't tolerate that. You need to be disciplined, be present at the camp, and then you receive your money. They did that. I gave them all the money.
And nature says, some of our kind of chess, a be as what ding cause or more Christmas break, no, mamma, because you inform the oh, yes, I dare in discipline. Me fast no money yet, or more buy a bad 20 grounds back camp ready. Or do be as a camano. nti sa wo ya asodin de na se usika no eno nso atimi akwa akodi left eno ne nsemo a opani no ede atudwa no pai mabo akire enso atimi dia man Kwame Poku urom okuma asiasa no go kwa kacha je sei omo ntoto to ne form omo gina ne so ne soro brane bi kom gidi ese opani no enso ebo adwuma enso atimi di mo na wadi nkomo ne nkomo die we no on unity a e wa asane kotoko team ni mu a eboa e ma asane kotoko team no e ko the level any the part asane kotoko team no enso etimi ko Kwame Poku beye my paddy enso etimi di nkomo
now no man say love nyina aba unity or camp no dey be attract so boa obi ko be shimpa am sa chiwa no na me ne box no bi now when you get okay is a kind of support that makes me dilemma in collective team in try to boy for now no man say love nyina aba unity
Kwame Poku beye na hotel en kasa wo church nsemu na bibia ekoso enso eti wa me ko be chem na me fan cha kese ma na nasare ono ye communication director ono so atimi ma me story bia me de be ba time wa full time no enso etimi cost no sa story ni enough a ebetimi aboma ne ma no enso etimi agina yie pa na chama K5 chama kwa Ponsano no wadi nkomo e de afa Kumasi asane kotoko first one no na Kumasi asane kotoko first one no 31 points per eno munya out of possible 51 omato 20 dia guanra akomia say enye overly impressive na ukupania je feno K5 edi nkomo e de afa first one no
amame because first round was kotoko team nya 42 points so uhwemu a ya 3 back na ne ebo no you lose by 14 points no and a hard eno kro nya 10 crank ka we ho anya 42 onti eno ne high but say coach ate asene de emiama bekoye
ezemuni coach na ka coach ya na
says you nya 31 points only 31 crack ho ase nya 62 the international sentiment like etiya na ball no so efe who say ball bi o yakosha obi Africa say go any echeso coach
there's another coach ni one humadi
says we ya de yesi enkoye ni eka no atobu ase no watie says de pa
ano ana samwa kokwan ponsa chama K5 and 2 da yere ho sam ade air2 ani mbo asaro 8 wie no ase nyenyenyenyenyenyenye but we de emse muda ha bibia ekoyi enso etimi ho na janto aso ne ani komo chama K5 din komo biom na ochem ze double ne de afie kuma sasa no kotoko target no mo je double na se o mo kwa Africa o meko no wakọ akọbọ Africa ni ye chama K5
pay double
samo GF
ntina salade na ahye no me pay double o say so gini mienu a no atras no ochusu de opese woko so timi de ye timi ji double be me de
se mo amatras mo tuse
ye ochusu ye pa ye nko Champions League ye be ko FA ye pay bebo Champions League ni ebo because Africa de kotoko support is papa ko bi ache ti pese ko Africa
na team no ji Africa no ko mejima go
udi obehu no kra me ka trebo no kakra e league na
team ni di ba
media me gidi no kra me ka trebo no hwe emre bi akotoko team no na ye fa 18 ni apam 20 ni ye pese etwam say players o mo we unse na anu ya o mo ye form kra 2.5 years obo half year we asaka 2 years ye mo atena mabo etinya dia ye pam players bebre kakra bi ne dia soso we ye di league wi a ye dia ba 4-5 ne be mo beka ho ne ye koya nim kotoko team be peja na nsen ya o enche e be peja
enti kotoko team no enche na nsen ya be peja na bibia so atimi akoso ye enso atimi e de amom na amanfo se mo beje double mo ni beche mu ni na nya moyo mo se mo beje double an ansem amanfo enso eke kan ye de etumani enso e wodwumadi ne so na eno akuma asesa ne kotoko training grounds no ye suma ye patuo no ma ne koye we yanoma we no yanoma na bati no so bat okura camera no se ana camera no mu ye ne ha tudum se camera no kobasa ba we no video ana mi se babia no teye video no nti do ma me video no kuma sasa niko to training and run o ma me sa video na we ya bra na ze YouTube bass no enso e ba no na chese na se patu teba bia ono enso etibitwa twa video na eni adon se camera ne ya na se kosoro an ze patu nsana na mu du di chen camera no de na aye bibi o ho nti we asa niko to no atu no bia ni bi sa niko to team ni kura ni bi but patu nya video ne so atimi di aba tama na asane kotoko enso etimi ye training no na say na patuo teba bi eze yesima ye record but patuo nyare ba nti patuo ya adwuma patuo enso etimi ye adwuma na no Justice Blaine ne Kamara mo no Saka Dauda mo na no mo ni training ground no because yesi no mo rest according to patuo report na yeso mo rest sanso na ye kuma asane kotoko goalkeeper ona na say captain na ma asane kotoko ona so per report na ye full training na bibia enso ekoye etimi wo ho sanso na wisdom eye basi ono so isolate ne ho a no enso ye training won change won so free injury enso na etimi ba eno ne nsem kakra free hall ban tenu no na se Kamara mu na no enso ntimi ni bench ana so mu ni training grounds wo na emom na branch fe Benjamin Twum goalkeeper eye Fatau Seidu ena fe ye Frederick Kasa no mu ni na no enso e wo training grounds a no makoyi eno a ye se kwa mpoku be nya knock see training beba na wie ye no ntimpanifo yi ni film as a precaution say the be enko fa asim biama because since one kuma sasa no kotoko ani say bibi to no pe asama to asane kotoko ntino omu yi ni film training no enso etimi aba be ending ntia no na den sem kakri free asane kotoko training grounds e be ne matimi enso e de ama yen sports minister no so atimi abopani a je friend no Honorable Adams wuram obue ma ho na ye MP waba ono no se ne target ne se obetimi enso started from grassroots na watoto nyoma enso timi o grassroots wo ntie bia tennis boxing na de per report nche so per no per boxing pa ntie mi se ebeboa ama nyoma enso timi akoyi era magana yen football ne yen sports ni na no nsem kakra eno so free hoba me de air to anim enso ewo dwumadi ne so ha eya Sompa 93.1 FM na Sompa TV so a wonso utie de wi anoman enso si come kwa no ne na matimi edi nsem no enso atimi edi aba na bibia no enso atimi aye kama pa enso atimi o nti abrante na ba eye Cinco de Mario ai na Frempong aba oba be din komo enso atimi odwumade nana memo akwa aba Cinco de Mario
oba ni mejo so
na bibia ye fine
bibia ye fine
anope wonya makwa kama na
bibia de kama pa
Fonya makwa kama na azu
no pay don say ban say na ni tua
okay
nti wi ya na ye sanada o bibia be fine
bibia ti mai kama
bibia kama pa
Orlando ho Orlando bima bibia
Orlando se no ni kuta we nim no
ai but unze patu ni nsano ana e mo du chen camera no say ana ntimi sisi
ya ba obo adwuma ba bibia na wotene ade ya
yes no tina soro ba bi o aposem so na zoom ya o ye video no ya ade enu ntino obo ye no
ai
so ye be cut ground say be intimidate ntino boy no
okay
na no ye court akwa no no mu ye intimidate kakra bu se ne bu no ase no aba no se amanfo ye ndam se dabi se o ya me bouncer
actually
ai me nua no ba san ya me bouncer ntino Orlando no tu ye no
o mu di wachi ya na bi mu
yes
no mu agro ne form
but obi obeka se dade ahodidi bi oboa
okay
nipa fa dade no nya wa hweye obani yankwa amona ne mra
wo branso ye kwa amona ne na no pay the foreign news ma ye tie for live on Sompa TV live on Sompa 93.1 FM mfentu anim se UEFA Champions League games ado pina no enso natimi ko so no na nya sam kutokra mame mfantu desa Benfica tena vie ewa Stadio Dalio ama Barcelona ko so mekana makoma konum ama Benfica team no enso te kana makoma kone na nya game kutokra mame mfantu desa Brantie France Vanges Pavlidis ebo hat-trick wa na nya grokra ansa na Ronald Araujo enso ngabo ongo dia bo Benfica tinamom Robert Lewandowski abo brace sanso ana Rafinha bo brace ansa na Regancia enso nya go ba kundi aka Barca ho onra omo timi ko sha kana makoma kwenum ematima France Benfica team no enso ngati kana ba kwa hunse semina no ana so mati kana makoma kwa ne hunse semina no ye de no so de ma ye tie fa na no pai na after sa Barca akwa away enso ko sha kana makoma kwenum enso ngama Benfica team te kana makoma kona no manager France Hans Flick Edin komo we at for game and on coach 5-4 against Benfica.
Sorry, it was a crazy game. So I think Benfica did really well in the first half, especially the first half. But we also make a lot of mistakes. We didn't defend very good. Yeah, of course, the result in the first half was 3-1 against us, and in the halftime we said, okay, we want to change something. We need better positioning, and also we said, okay, we want to come back. And this is the best thing, especially the second half. mentality of the team, how they always believe in themselves, and this is good to see, and it's unbelievable, you know. I was very happy with 1 point, but at the end with the 3, it's of course it's much better, and it was great. It was great with this finish, and at the end you have to see that we invest a lot of in sorry.
When and some boss a manager has a flick to any man pay. You don't want some of them all set a point, Nankonya 1 point and go penum, acquire 3 points, and each we a penny and summer. Manager and the 2 Janano pay, don't want somebody to ya. Admitted for Jimadian to Liverpool, so bombarding Chilil, and so Macamian, Momoti Kanabako, Mohamed Salah, Anafe, Have Elliot, Tomina boss out 2 goals in them Liverpool. Jonathan David, any consolation at them Liverpool, and as a team of friends Lille after the game. Mami Mfontu just a Liverpool manager. Your friends Anna Slot Ekazai.
In Lisbon, because for the times I've worked in football, I saw 4 minutes of extra time, and then there was 3 minutes of time delaying, and then at 4 minutes the referee blew his whistle. But this referee kept on playing for a while, so maybe that was not in our advantage this time. But I like to see these things. For the rest, it doesn't tell me anything, because if in tennis you are number 1 seeded, you know it's always better to face the number 24 than to face the number 8 or the number 12, because this is a ranking that is done for years. But now we are in a new format where some teams are high in the league table because they had a lucky draw, or some teams are low because they had a very difficult draw. So it's far off to say that it's an advantage to be 1 or 2. We still don't know yet if that's an advantage or not. You might be lucky, you might be very unlucky, and ending up 8 can mean that you are maybe lucky. So for me, it doesn't tell me anything. What for me is the most important thing for tonight is that we've managed to skip around, and that a compliment for the referee.
When in some Liverpool manager and a slot to any man on pair, don't somebody to you. Adamatia for Jumadin, so that Ticoma didn't say, Canemy, no. I'm a buying Liverpool City, Canabaco, Julian Alvarez, and a boss out 2 goals, no. Adamati Coma, they don't want some Adamam young phone to just Albi Lives, a team Airbus Sporting Club, the Portugal, and Abraham Numa Paul Semadu, and then as much they told you, Shakhtar Donetsk, Airbus Brest, Nina Abra, 545, 5 games in Abaso, Mamin phone to an Sparta Praha. Bo Inter Milan and 8 p.m. Arsenal. Bo Dynamo Zagreb. Sanso and a Feyenoord. Bo Bayern AC Milan. Bo Girona ni nani abra 8 p.m. Abo. And as games ne told you once and seminano. Yadi anonso de banamo mamin fun to there's a big game and ne told you no. A game Paris Saint-Germain. Omum ane Manchester City. Abona ahead of sa game. Basu and Anna Dwina manager. Ye friend is a Pep Guardiola on your manager. The Man City. Bobo kuna dinkomo. After game omune Paris Saint-Germain and Anna Drew.
So, of course, it's a really important game for us, for PSG. But we have another game against Bruges at home, so I don't know how many points we will need. It's just in case we qualified. I know winning the 2 games is mathematically will be there, but maybe with just 1 victory will be there as well. So, of course, the point is just the game against Feyenoord, but especially all this competition, more games. It was in the most difficult moment of the season for the problems everybody knows that we had, and we could not handle it. And of course, we could not expect when we arrived to be in that position. We had to accept it. If at the end we don't qualify, accept that we were not good enough. And sports is simple as that. There are other competitors, contenders that sometimes they are better, we were not better, and accept it and move forward.
When in some Man City manager Pep Guardiola did to any man on press conference national or the Ellen Haaland a corner and central for Busa. Ellen Haaland sent a contract. I was some bad 10 years contract, you know. A nipa ben or consort to a Yabiano, and no my ben or and son or Gia to my sign 10 years contract at Manchester City. Ellen bought Haaland actually Musi.
Said it before, I felt like I feel a bit like home, and of course I really meant it. And yeah, I feel like home. I feel so happy. My family is so happy, and I think in the end that's what I wanted. And yeah, I'm happy.
10 years sounds like a lot, most of your career. What sort of convinced you to sign on for that long?
First of all, the feeling, as I said, and the people I spoke with made me convinced that this was the right choice, the people around me. And yeah, in the end, when I spoke with people, we came to this, and it felt really good.
Well, until we and some island brought Halandi to anima hunts and some edit to Jadamatio for our Jumadian swimming found to and himself Barca sporting director. A de Quamu German, Romone Benfica Bueno, dear Banessa on the Marcus Radford representatives Ecosia or Lisbono, Amadia and Second is a Sibuano Anya, Kaya said the Achila Barca team, some Sabi Bians, Sana Zebio, Moyo Baba, Namadia, same stumbling block, Adiama, Abrante France, Radford moved to Barca and as Barnes a team person omuja players ni bi kwan sana ade say omuso atimi ama boy no kwan amna be see academy Barnes a team na ede wonsam ade tuja de matie for Jumaden so enfon to anim say Alejandro Garnacho so yetisa Manchester United team na demand 75 million euros ansana omuja bono mana kosi akan Adamanda Poli yetisa Chelsea team no so nyamo penamum 75 million euros no ade say Chelsea team no face as a boy no won deserve amount of money. They say the Abana say answer race on team first Napoli and they say omudi ntimaya ni say some be omudi nkomoni ye na say bibia sesa akoda na first Alejandro Garnacho they say general transfer in the ani be chetima ye first Napoli won seminar no ye dem anonso de tujada matefo Jumade no so Anthony Yamfan to they say they move to Real Betis no on say a loan or kwakobo Yamfan to they say the Abana say e fiti na de kwanobo no e betin so na ni Chile Spain Chromo now there's an America no and so nothing because the main second sir I understand almost at the option to buy be a shame it is a 6-month loan no so or better than anything so no actually Manchester na tebubo konuma and I pay this answer no na the tuja at the material for Jumadino so Rafinha ye player at the bounce and no the team winning game no and so na the bounce and also found to this a few words be at the name was a play be at the same name no at and some fatasa nema ebe tranche na onsia kanamum ojide pass ade aboy ne namu ahela team no anya de sam na so ani kra eba no say ne physical condition no ebe team so na ha nema nte ojide pass onim say ne mani me ese nema enso na team return ne mpono wo be sia kan in football ne ensema Rafinha de akotudwa anopedi mamo enso no Jumade no so enfon to dey say oko Australian Open na on say no Novak Djokovic enso no wo team so nani akwara friend example no Carlos Alcaraz almost some nades game no and so team course one anya game kuto akwe quarter final match and also na team course one anya grokra mama info to the same way I have 4 set and almost with me boy nanya grokra young fan to this I have 4-6 6-4 6-3 6-4 and I say Novak Djokovic no one no etim so atwa na ni semi finals anya grokwa nyankopon ya adomochina and there's a semi final game no ebetim akos one Alexander Zverev game no ebetim so akos one seminar no ye de no so tujada matefo na there's a semi finals one so natima qualify akochina one Alexander Zverev dey face no way and 6 consecutive Australian Open semi finals one so natima urama anya grokwa ntochina wan and ebetim so akopia now Alexander Zverev na so pay first Novak Djokovic de be fruma babia no ya de won sam ade betuja ade matefo Jumade senti e begina so na ya de amano nsem na se bon 9:30 e beba nya de mo ade abramo